What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable require open eyes during Face ID recognition in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on biometrics and then click on face recognition. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern. Now here you will see a stay on lock screen require open eyes button. So if you want to enable open eyes during Face ID recognition, then turn on this button, and if you want to disable require open eyes during Face ID recognition, then tap on this button to turn it off. So with this button you can enable or disable require open eyes during Face ID recognition in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.